Hello everyone, I'm Raya Mirajan, you know me. So, I'm gonna show you my part 2 budgerigar birds. Cute. This is my sister's cage. This is that is a different budgerigar bird. This is a Lutino bird. And that is normal budgerigar. That's the daddy. His name is Moon, and her name is Toon. So, and this is my mom and dad. Okay, this is Fred, and that's Cutie, the mommy. This is the daddy, and the cutest one are the babies. So we made them. We made them a cage. So they're so big, and you know butterfly. Yes, that's my sister's bird. That's my sister's bird. That butterfly just passed away. She died with a heat stroke. Look, it's this baby bird. She's sleeping. And she is a girl. And then wait a second, okay, so look at him, but I didn't know this was a male, but I think I thought it was a male, but it's actually a female. And I changed her name. Her name is Queen. And this is Scram. And this is Baby Bird. And this is King. Sleeping. And this is the bad one. This is angry. He is very bad. And you might know this is Bluey, but it's not Bluey. It's the small baby bird. It's the small baby bird. I gave you the last video, and I told you I don't know what her to name. I don't know what I will name this bird, but her name is Puppy. And you can see there's another one. And that's my sister's. Her name is, and this is Hearty. And you can see this is Puppy. He's the small baby bird in my cage. And you can see that's Bluey. He's just scraping on the screen. And you can see her mouth is dangling. Look. You can see her mouth is broken. Hey, look over here, Bluey. Bluey, oh, there you go. Good boy. Look. You look over here. Look. You can see her mouth. She just looks to scratch. You can see, hey, look over here. Bluey. Bluey. Bluey, look over here. Yeah, see, I think you guys saw it. Her mouth is actually, it's broken. He's so scratching. How can I show you the mouth? So maybe it's cute. Let's look, Puppy, Puppy, Puppy. And I gave them a symbol. This is my baby bird's name. Queen. This is Queen. I didn't name her name, but I didn't know it was a male or female. And now I'm gonna write it. It's Queen, and this is a female. And I didn't. And this is Bluey, second, and Scram. These two are blue, and this is blue too. Puppy, like Puppy is blue too. Then I will name her. There you go. Ding, she's sleeping. Queen, look at here. Look over here. This is Scram. Wait, where's Baby Bird? Oh, she's just hanging out with her little sister, Hearty. You can see that Baby Bird. That's Baby Bird. That's Baby Bird. And this is Hearty. And over there, like this one, that one is Angry. You can see these three are same to same, like my sister's daddy bird. You can, hey, Lucy, no, it's just scratching her husband. Yeah, you can see her daddy and these three little birds are same to same. And look at Queen and Scram. Scram over there, Queen over there. And Bluey is just sleeping over there. Okay. So this is her. He's and we can eat it like this. There's some foods. And look, there's some vegetables. And there's a bathtub. And that's a pot for them to sleep. Whoa. Oh, hey, you want to bite me? Angry? She just wants to bite me. So weird. Oh, yeah. You can see, look at Bluey's mouth. It's broken. Like, yeah, there you go. See? Bluey's mouth is very broken, but Scram is alright, and Puppy is alright too. So these are my cute little baby birds. They just love to hang out in this. I don't know what it's called. It's wood. And in Bangladesh, I live in Dhaka. This is Kilgaon. Taltala, Nuttenbug. Wait, where's Fred? Oh, there you go. That's Fred. Fred is very dangerous. The daddy bird, like yes, that one, the green one. That is very dangerous. Why is it very dangerous? Should I tell you? Okay. See, when we are going to Khulna, I give you the blog. Yes, when we're going to Khulna, and oh my goodness, that's so cute. As I was saying, when we're going to Khulna, Fred escaped from the cage, and we couldn't find where is Fred, but my daddy found it, and my daddy grabbed Fred, and Fred gave her a big pinch on my daddy's thumb, like here. Okay, he gave her here, like here. And that's it for my budgerigar, my baby budgerigar and my budgerigar birds part 2. and check out the part 1, and please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. And there's me. You never see me wearing these glasses. They're new glasses. These give me sun protections too, like sunglasses. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the videos. And bye.